Okay, so we're here in Salina, Utah today, doing a demo for Kyson Wynn on his heel horse. I've seen him ride this horse a couple of times. I've never been on him or really been around him until right now. So we're just gonna walk around him a little bit. This is to me, is a great size for a heel horse, put together really well. This horse has no marks on him anywhere that I see. No blemishes. We'll just pick his feet up. Like I said, today's the first day that I've seen him or been around him. Super gentle, super good to be around. Not a big fan of brands, but has kind of a cool little brand on his hip right there. Horse is 14.2, I would say. 1,150 pounds. So anyway, horse is super good to be around. Like I said, to me, he's a great size for a heel horse. And gonna run some on, see how he does. Okay, so we just got done riding Playboy. How old? 8-year-old gelding heel horse. Ran 7 or 8 steers. Like I say, I had seen this horse go, but had never been on him or been around him really. Warmed him up a little bit. Horse just warmed up, just calm, gallop, loped around easy. Didn't have to pull on him and hold him back to ride him around. It was just pleasant to ride around. Good in the heel box. Kind of wanted to jig just a tiny bit, but able to get the start that I wanted every single time. We ran maybe 6 steers, slipped a couple of legs on some of these steers or the coals from the roping, but great set, was easy to read, kind of easy to keep in your hand right there. The steer that went left, my header missed, but pushed over and stayed up there. The slower steers was able to kind of hold him right there and wait. It was pretty easy everywhere. That's it. It's enjoyable to be around, enjoyable to ride. Wasn't ever, walk back to the box the whole time. Gentle everywhere. Was just a pleasant horse to ride and heel on and be around. Like I said, besides slipping, I think 3 legs right there. Horse is pretty easy to see the feet. He's built good. He's short, compact, short stride. It was fun to ride.